Hello guys, this is Cynthia. She's So Blessed. Welcome back to my channel. And tonight we are doing a DIY and it was a disaster. So guys, I'm going to share with you my disaster and then I'm going to share with you how I tried to create this box. Well guys, this is part of a box that I had for a poster board. My measurements was off, so I was pretty much trying to eyeball my measurements. So when you're doing any type of craft like that, make sure your measurements are correct. So guys, this is what I had did. I had taken part of the box off of here and I made a base to sit these here plates on, and I hot glued it. I started off by using the Gorilla Glue, which it was such a mess. Look at that. Oh guys, it was a mess. So I went back and used my hot gun glue, the glue. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this here up. I had placed some bags in here, and this is the board that I had went ahead and glued these here plates onto. So to have a base inside. So let me finish this up and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay everyone, this is the DIY that was a disaster, so I try to reconstruct the flower box. So this is how it look now after I just made a base to the bottom and just hot glue the plates all around the base. And every flower that I can find that I did my DIYs for our spring, I just stick them in there so you can have an idea of what I was trying to do. So I'm going to be coming back with another video so we can go step by step. But I got to first think about what I'm going to do first. So, and then we will go ahead and do another video on our DIY high-end Z Gallerie box. So let me zoom in a little bit more and you can be able to see it. So guys, that is my DIY for tonight. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, let me know. If you have any idea that can help me out to do another DIY for this style of box, leave me a comment in the comment section. Or do you think this is okay? If it's a nay, leave nay. But always leave a nice comment. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, let me know. If you're not a part of my family, I would love to have you like always. So just click that button